In this quick video, I'll show you how to scan Instagram QR code. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. Also like this video. So scanning QR code using Instagram can be really useful in order to open anyone's profile or to visit any website. So to scan QR code, tap on your profile icon. Once you tap on it, then click on share profile and it will show you your profile QR code. If someone scans your profile QR code, then they can visit your profile. So we want to scan QR code of any website. So for that, tap on the QR icon which is on top right corner and it will ask for your camera permission. Allow it and scan the QR code which you want to scan. Suppose I want to scan this QR code, then it will open the Instagram profile which QR I just scanned, and from here I can open that profile and follow that profile as well. Similarly, you can open any website QR code using Instagram QR code scanner. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.